Busy cat owners, imagine never scooping again. We're reviewing the Litter Robot 3 Connect, a smart litter box designed to give you back your time and keep your home fresh. Is this the future of cat care? This unit features a self-cleaning globe that automatically separates waste after your cat leaves. Clumps drop into a hidden drawer, ready for easy disposal. It's a game-changer for daily maintenance. Wi-Fi connectivity lets you monitor usage and get alerts via the Whisker app. Perfect for checking in while you're away or knowing when the waste drawer needs emptying. It works for cats 5 pounds and up. The Litter Robot significantly reduces manual scooping, keeping the litter bed clean for your feline friend. This helps maintain a more pleasant environment for everyone. Ready to upgrade your cat care routine? Click the link in the description now to get this product at the best price. Setup is simple as the unit arrives pre-assembled. Just plug it in and add litter. Ongoing maintenance involves emptying the waste drawer regularly. Deep cleaning the large globe can be a bit more involved due to its size and design. Priced around $999, the Litter Robot 3 Connect is a premium purchase. It offers incredible convenience, especially with its self-cleaning and app features, saving busy pet lovers valuable time. Consider the cost against potential issues like odor control and sensor quirks. It's a significant investment, but for many, the freedom from daily scooping is invaluable. Ready to ditch the scoop? Click the link in the description to grab yours today. Your cat and your nose will thank you. Don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.